Crinone 8% vaginal gel is commonly recommended by fertility doctors for a variety of reasons. In today's episode of Infertility TV, we will review everything you need to know about Crinone. Stay tuned to the end to hear my important recommendations about having sex while using Crinone. Crinone comes in ready-to-use applicators. They should be stored at room temperature in a dry location. So don't store them in your bathroom, which can get humid after a shower, and don't leave them in your car where they can be exposed to heat. You will want to use the shake and twist method. First, shake the applicator so the gel moves down to the applicator tip. Then twist off the tip. You are now ready to use the Crinone. Insert the applicator into your vagina. Insert as far as it will go without causing pain. Then squeeze the bulb at the end and remove the applicator. By far and away, the most common side effect of Crinone use is vaginal discharge. Many women will report leakage of a white cottage cheese-like discharge, especially if you've been using Crinone for several days. This is normal and shouldn't worry you. If you feel like there is a buildup of old Crinone in your vagina, it is okay to insert a finger and clear out the old gel before inserting the next dose. A common question we get asked here at IVF1 is whether it's okay to have intercourse while using Crinone. The first thing to know is that if you do have intercourse, expect it to be messy. Your partner will get Crinone on him, which will result in a small amount of progesterone being absorbed into his body. There has also been some concern about whether vaginal intercourse will reduce the absorption of the progesterone in Crinone. A 2010 study showed that progesterone levels are 50% lower after intercourse. So if you are using Crinone, you should either avoid having vaginal intercourse or use a condom to prevent interfering with absorption and to keep it from getting on your partner. If you like this video, remember to like this video. Have a question? Leave it in the comments below. We'll answer. Subscribe for new episodes of Infertility TV weekly. Click the link in the description to visit our website where you can register to become a patient.